Ndogamano nitumukite gatagati ka aikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru na kambuni ya kwenja ithima cia thitima ya miruki ya GDC kurumirira kambuni yo kwambika tabarira icio migunda-ini ya aikari aitura ria Rongai itaiguanire na aikari.
Going forward, we will cooperate with government when want to deal with the population in accordance with the rights of the people. Twende pamoja.
Hatuna ubaya kwa hawa watu. Kama wangekuja siku ya leo tuongee pamoja, tungefurahia kwa sababu tutaelewana na tutawasiliana jinsi ya kukaa pamoja.
Ndeto ĩno yũkĩte rĩrĩ gũkoretwo kwĩrĩkanĩte kambuni ĩyo yakorirwo ĩkĩaria na gakundi kamwe ka andũ ũndũ ũrĩa wekĩirwo hitho-inĩ matekũmenyithio.
Wanapitia ofisi ya chief na ambapo kama kijiji cha Rigogo tarehe 1 Novemba chief alifanya baraza la ghafla la watu wasiozidi watu 30 na kupitia watu hao ikasemekana kwamba wamefanya public participation.
Riu aikari aya nimehitite kwandikithia cira igoti-ini makiuga gutire mweke ungi wa kwaraniria na kambuni iyo kuona ikoretwo igitira na rungathio micamanio-ini iria ikoretwo ikiraririo na niguo gwetha mwerekera ndeto-ini ino.
One of the resolutions which has been passed is going to court to get an injunction. And I just remember a few days ago the president was complaining that people are going to court getting injunctions to stop government projects, of which we don't want to go to those levels.
Thirikari ikoretwo itanyite kuhuthira kimanjika gia ciringi bilioni 90 tabarira-ini cia wenji wa ithima cia thitima ya miruki kaunti-ini ya Naikuru.